Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest EV stock news. Before we get down into this, give me that huge thumbs up. The like button will keep me alive on YouTube. It'll share my videos with the YouTube algorithm. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button down below. We'd love to have you as part of the channel. Hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my video downloads. I also have a very big promotion for you using my link down below, using Moomoo. They do have the best promotion out there. You can get up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Just for opening an account using my link to Moomoo, you will be guaranteed a free stock valued again up to $3,500 just for opening an account. Deposit any amount of money in there. 50 cents, $1 will get you an additional free stock. Deposit up to $2,000 or more will get you 3 additional extra stocks for a total of 5 stocks, each valued $3,500. One of my viewers did write me that they did get a Tesla stock. Congratulations to that person. Please take advantage of this, as this promotion will not last long. But I did now want to transition, talk to you about the latest EV news. We will be talking about Lucid Motors, Rivian. What is going on with the stock market? Why are these stocks just keep going down and down and down? But the main reason by all this is that we have had huge increases in its stock price. We have had huge gains, over 100% in a lot of cases. We are having investors taking profits. Let me just show you this article that just came out about 2 hours ago. The title is Rivian and Lucid shares continue to fall as investors are taking profits. Right now, are we having a big cool off? Definitely. Are we having a big correction? Definitely. Are we having a crash in the EV market? Potentially. The reason why I say potentially is that not all EV prices are going down. Tesla is still holding strong. What is going down is all these big company EV frenzy companies. The biggest one is Rivian, RIVN. As you know, Rivian did just come out as the initial public offering on November 10th. It did start with its price of its share at $78. This was only available to certain people, to certain companies. Whenever it was available to you and I, retail investors, we did start above $100. I believe it was $108 when it was available to us retail investors. This stock had enormous gains day after day after day, and it reached a high of $172 in its stock price. We are now seeing those investors, a lot of investors taking huge profits. If you are one of these people, congratulations. If you did buy this stock very high, please, I've been there in the past. Please do not freak out. This stock will rebound eventually, but you might have to wait some time because, again, these stocks are going to hit those highs. But right now we are having those cool-offs. We are having that correction. So people are taking money. But are these companies really worth the valuations that these stocks are bringing them up to? That is the next big question I did want to talk about and answer. So with that huge stock price of Rivian, $172, it brought this valuation to even higher than Volkswagen without really having any vehicles out in the market. So can you justify this? It's very hard to justify this. That having a huge company having more than, I believe it was 120 something billion dollars without producing any vehicles, it's very hard to digest. So I think we are starting to get that cool off. Looking at Lucid Motors, in my opinion, has a little bit better stabilization. Whenever you look at its price of the drops, it's not dropping as big of a percentage, but it is still dropping. One of the reasons, again, in the past 6 months, we have gone up on Lucid Motors LCID stock over 100%. These are huge, very fast increases in stock prices. People are definitely taking those profits, and I definitely see why. If you have been watching in the past videos, I have been saying that there will be cool-offs. Some people were out there saying that, well, no, Lucid Motors will never drop down into the 40s. below 40s. Well, we are potentially having that drop. If you can get this stock under $40, you are getting an amazing deal, a great deal in Lucid Motors stocks. But it depends how you trade this. If you are a long-term investor, meaning more than 1 year from now, particularly me, I'm going to be in Lucid Motors in these companies for more than 5 years, 10 years. So these are great prices to get into. Will they drop more? I definitely believe so. The next big date to watch out for, in my opinion, is December 3rd, because that will be the debt ceiling of the United States. We are going to be running out of money as a country. The politicians will need to get together to get some kind of bill, to get something passed where we have more money for the federal government, or everything will be kind of shut down. So definitely big things to look forward to, but a lot more volatility coming. We also had very big inflation numbers coming out. Inflations are starting to worry people. Little blurps out there that COVID might be coming back. Another wave might be coming back. You have bad news after bad news after bad news. But with these EV stock companies, you had a huge run up. So people are taking profits. Is there anything wrong with these companies? No. Are they very highly valued, meaning that the stock price is very expensive? In some cases, yes, especially Rivian. Lucid Motors, I still think is a good price. I do think it's still going to fall. I think it's still going to go down in value and transition and talk about these prices. But looking at Rivian, ticker RIVN, look at this. Today, it went down 15.5%. We had at the beginning of the market $136. We went all the way to its lowest, down 11, it looks like 0.2%. We are starting to stabilize. Will it stabilize at this point? We'll definitely have to see. If you watched my video from yesterday, I did say if it goes under 120, it does look like it is starting to cool off. We are starting to have a big cool off. In the past 5 days, if you look at this, we started at $129. We went up and tested that $172. But look at all the investors are taking profits. 30% it has gone down just in a matter of 2 days. So anytime a stock goes down more than 20%, this is a crash in that stock. So we are definitely seeing big movement in this stock. Now, let me just go back 1 month, but we haven't traded that, but I just wanted to catch the very first day. According to this chart on November 10th, it started at $100.73, but look at the gains that we had. We went up 6%, and that is when retail investors got in. Remember, this stock actually started off at $78, so huge increases in the amount of money that this has gone up. Even right now, the stock price that it is right now at $123, we are having a market cap $105 billion valuation on this company. And so again, still it is a little bit more expensive than I would like to pay. If I can get this stock under, I would say $95, I think you are getting a very good deal. We'll definitely have to see if it keeps dropping and how much, but I will keep you posted. But remember that date, December 3rd, is the next big downward pressure that we will see in the market, as these are my opinions only. Now, Lucid Motor stock LCID went down in its stock price by 10.5% today. We did start at $49. The lowest that we did go is about $43. So right now it looks like we did go as low as almost 12% just in 1 day. But look, in the past 5 days, we are actually still up 7%. Even though we fell almost 12% today, we are still up for the past 5 days at 7%, because look at this, in the past 1 month, we are still up 90%. We did test a resistance of $55.50. We are having people taking profits. Now, if you look here, the stabilization of this stock, I do believe, is at $40. And the reason why I'm saying this is on November 10th is when Rivian did come out there. I do think that people did start piling in. But as you can see, the big hype, the big increase hype with Rivian also drove up the price on Lucid Motors stock. It went up by 36% ever since Rivian went out on the stock market. I definitely think that we are having this cool off now. Now, if you can get Lucid Motors stock LCID under $40, again, you are getting an amazing deal for this company because it is a very good company. With the stock price that it is now, $47, you are at a market cap of $77 billion. Now, is again this company worth $77 billion? In my opinion only, I do think that it is a little bit higher valuation, but what I'm looking at is the biggest profit margins out of these electric vehicle companies is Lucid Motors. So whenever I look at profit margins, I am looking at if they sell a vehicle, how much money in profit are they going to get from the vehicles? Well, right now, what happens is they put their best vehicle out there first. They put their best foot forward because you can get the biggest profit margins out of these to grow the company. That's exactly what Tesla did back in the year 2012 when it released its Tesla Model S. And it did release this vehicle to have those big profit margins. Who was the person behind that helped engineer the Tesla Model S? Peter Rawlinson. Peter Rawlinson is now the CEO of Lucid Motors. I definitely think that he has the ingenuity, the engineering to get this company moving forward. I also think he has a very good, strong management team that will get this stock and get this company moving in the future. I definitely think that they have the best chance. Now, I'm not knocking Rivian at all. I do think that they have a very good product. I have been saying it's not the most efficient, but that's a true statement. It's not the most efficient vehicle out there, but they do have a very nice vehicle. I do think it's a nice price point to get into for the vehicle itself at $70,000 to $75,000 for its truck and the SUV. Also, it will have a lot of big potential with customization with the commercial vehicles, electric delivery vans out there. Amazon has pre-ordered them. I think other companies will be getting these as well. So definitely they will do good. They do have bumps in the road. Remember, these are just new companies starting, but definitely they will have bumps in the road. This is just one big bump. Well, I hope you liked this video and I hope you learned something new as these stocks did have a much needed cool off. If you did lose some money in the stock market, please don't worry that these companies will be around for quite some time. And remember, these are long-term plays. You can definitely make a lot of money in the future. But again, please do your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stock. If you like this video, please give me that huge thumbs up, the like button. Keep me alive on YouTube. Also, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, hit all. Join the community as we would love to have you. Also, do not forget to take advantage of those wonderful promos that I have down below in my links. The best one right now is from Moomoo. You can get up to 5 free stocks, each valued at $3,500. You get 1 free stock just by opening an account. Deposit in any amount of money, you get an additional free stock, each valued $3,500. If you put in $2,000 or more, you will get 3 additional free stocks out there, each totaled $3,500. And yes, somebody did get a Tesla stock. Congratulations to that person out there. And also take advantage of that, the other links down below. Thank you again so much for supporting this channel, for all your support, prayers. I greatly appreciate it. And go out there and make some money. Have a great day, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.